Hello all! I just wanted to make a super short video to talk to you about two things that have really been making my life amazing lately. And I just wanted to share them with you because I think that telling people about good things is important. So here we go. Number one, the Java sock. Okay, so if you've never heard of the Java sock, it is literally the most amazing thing that I've ever discovered in my life. That's a little bit of an exaggeration, but really not much of one, because I'm telling you, I'm so angry that I did not know about this so many years ago. So you guys know I am an avid iced coffee drinker. I know it's bad for me, I know this, but it's my treat that I give myself, and I'm addicted to McDonald's Diet Cokes. And yes, I say McDonald's Diet Cokes because they don't taste the same anywhere else. Like any other restaurant, they don't taste the same. McDonald's has the best Diet Cokes, and the best thing is, they're $1. So, despite the fact that these things are bad for me, and I'm aware of this, please don't shame me for my food and the things that make me happy. I'm a cheap date, okay? Take me to McDonald's, give me a $3.49 iced coffee, a $1 Diet Coke, like, I'm good for the day. Really, I'm a happy camper. So if I can be made happy for $4.49, there is no shame in that game. Okay, so a Java sock is literally a koozie that is made for like fast food or like gas station, whatever, cups. So this one is in, I think it's English Garden is the print, and this one does sell out quite a bit. This is the one I got because obviously you guys know I am a floral girl. And the one thing, well, there's many things, but one of the main things I love about these koozies is they are sewn all the way around the bottom. So traditional koozies have these kind of holes here and water can still leak out, but these are sewn all the way around the bottom. The selling point for these is that you go get your iced coffee, you come back to work, you set it on your desk, and you have the big puddle. So if you're like me, I was always using a paper towel or a napkin and putting it under my drink, and my desk just always had the wet paper towel. This totally eliminates it, and not only that, it keeps your drink colder for a little longer, not a lot, and it's super stinking cute. So this is the large size, and this is a large iced coffee cup from McDonald's, and it fits so perfect. You can use it for, I mean, anything. A McDonald's soda cup would fit in here the same. And it's just so stinking fantastic. And it feels so good. Your hand doesn't get all wet because these cups sweat so badly. And you just drink your little coffee and like, it's so stinking cute. And it makes me so happy. So the larges, I believe, are $13.95. You can get them on Amazon, but I recommend getting them from the actual Java Sock website because they have coupons for like 15% off or 25% off sometimes, and they have more patterns. So Amazon sells them, but they don't have nearly the selection of patterns. Like this pattern right here, you can't get it off Amazon. It's on the Java Sock website, at least the last time I checked. So there is the large. They also make a medium, a small, and a little sleeve for a small like hot coffee instead of like an iced cold drink. So you know those little cardboard sleeves that come around the Starbucks cup? They make those and it's made out of the same sort of material. I also got this one. And this is the medium. I don't have a medium cup with me right now, but you get the point. Sometimes I will get a medium iced coffee, sometimes I'll get a large, or if I get a large drink and a medium coffee, like I got one in each hand and like I'm 2 cups happy with all my caffeine, right? So here's the medium. I don't have a small because like who orders a small coffee? Like we're going for the large, we need the caffeine. Here's one that's still in the package. So this is how they look when they come shipped to you. And I've been gifting these to like everybody I know, and everybody I give them to is like, oh my gosh, why didn't I know about this sooner? They have a camo print. I got that one for my husband. Here's like a tropical print, and it's kind of hard to see because yes, it's still in the bag, but it's kind of got this dark blue leaves and these pink. Says Java Sock keeps drinks cold longer, custom fit, stops drips and puddles, reusable insulating sleeve for iced coffee, iced tea, sodas, and more. They do have a soda sock. And it's exactly the same thing, but it says soda sock, and again, they don't have the cute pattern, so even though I might drink soda out of this, the Java sock is where it's at. The back says soft, comfortable grip, stops condensation, and a fully enclosed bottom, and there's that guy, like, he's so stinking happy, like, I so know exactly how he feels. Okay, so the Java sock. Life stinking changing. If you are an iced coffee or soda drinker, again, I know the habit's bad, but like a lot of us have this habit, so whatever. Or maybe you just like the occasional treat. Either way, I don't like dripping cups, and this completely solves the problem. I keep both of mine in my purse, and that way I just have them, whether I'm like in my car or with a friend or whatever. I've got them with me, and every time I use them, people are like, what is that? Where did you get it? I'm telling them, Java Sock. It's amazing. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is an app. So, you guys know I'm all about balling on a budget. Like, I'm all about doing things frugally, but still living like your best life. So, there's a McDonald's app. So, I cannot afford to drink a $7 venti coffee from Starbucks every day. I would not allow myself to spend that much money. But how I can drink an iced coffee anytime I want is by using the McDonald's app. So, you literally just download the McDonald's app. It looks like this. And you open up the app. And when you open up the app, right here at the top, it counts iced coffee. So look, I earned one free. So one thing is, if you're buying them at full price, if you buy 5 McCafes, and that could go for like a frappe, you know, it doesn't have to be an iced coffee. But after you buy 5, you get the next one free. So you can see here, I have earned 1 free drink. I click on that, it gives me a QR code. When you go to McDonald's, they have a little beeper, and like you order, like, I want a large iced coffee. You go up to the window, you pull up the QR code, you hold it out, they beep it, and then they tell you your new price. Like, it's so easy. You don't have to mess with a paper coupon. It's fantastic. So what I use is right down here, it says deals. It's that third button, and you can open it every day, and it just has all of the coupons for that day. And the coupon that I use all the time is gone because I used it today, but they have one, and it reloads every day, and it's a 99-cent hot or iced coffee, any size. So I can get a large coffee for 99 cents. It's like $1.10 after tax, and it refreshes every day. You can use it 1 time a day, every day. So if I want a nice coffee that day, I pull it up and it's in there every day for 1 time a day. And that's all I need. 99 cents for a coffee that big, like Dunkin' Donuts, this is like almost $6 or $7, I think. And in my opinion, McDonald's has by far the best iced coffee I've ever tasted. Another thing I use all the stinking time, this one is like gold. Hello, I have a toddler. Hello, my husband works nights away from home a lot, and mama don't want to cook. So buy 1 Happy Meal, get 1 free. They usually load that one in like once a week. And let me tell you what, that little coupon does not go unused on my phone ever. Like if it's a night my husband is on shift, I have a toddler, so I eat a Happy Meal for dinner, he eats a Happy Meal for dinner. A Happy Meal is plenty to hold me over. I also do it a lot for like lunch, and I've fed both of us for like $4.40. Like your total goes from like $10 for 2 Happy Meals to $5. Like it's freaking amazing. And I don't have to cook, so like if it's a night he's working, I'll look through them, but like, oh, free Happy Meal, like dinner's done, go through the drive-thru, I'm finished. Okay, don't shame me for feeding my child a Happy Meal. Happy Meals make me happy, and they make him happy. He eats pretty healthy, I think, for the most part. He's got a great appetite. He's a healthy growing kid. So if you have a problem with Happy Meals, I'm sorry. Like, probably you shouldn't watch my videos. If you love Happy Meals and have no shame in that, comment down below and let me know I'm not alone. Okay, another one that I use sometimes is this one, and that's if my husband is wanting to eat, like, because he is not gonna survive off a Happy Meal, but you can get like, you know, a regular combo meal, like a #1 or #2, and then your Happy Meal is free as well. So he might use that, like if I'm working and he takes my son to go get some lunch. Another one I use is this one, and if I'm not feeling like a Happy Meal or whatever, I will it's just $2 off $10, and that's in there like all the time too. So like, why wouldn't you, if you're going to McDonald's and spending $10 anyway, why wouldn't you take 2 seconds to click on it? Okay, and I'll just show you. If you click on it, it takes you to this screen. Now, if you're doing like a mobile order ahead and pay where you pull into the slot, you do pickup. I don't do that because I don't get it. But you just hit scan. It'll say use deal. And again, it's going to show you a QR code. And so it's super easy. Now, there's been a couple times when I've ordered and I get to the window and they're like, hey, our little QR machine's down. I'm like, no problem. I'll just pay full price. I want my coffee anyway. But this is seriously saving me a ton of money and makes dinner easy for this poor mama when I have 2 kids under 2 by myself. all evening or all day. Hey, remember, fed is best. Whether it's breast milk, formula, or a Happy Meal. Amen, sister. Happy Meal, yes. Okay, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know what apps you use to save money. I use Ibotta. I use all kinds of different things, but the McDonald's app is where it's at, as well as the Burger King app. I could do a whole video just on the Burger King app, because it's pretty awesome too. I guess maybe I probably eat... Do I eat too much fast food? I really don't, though. I really don't. Maybe like once a week, maybe? I do a lot of home cooking, so I can afford to not cook every now and again. What is this? It's like I've been headbanging. Like, do you guys ever get a rat? I get a rat in the back of my neck sometimes that's like this big of hair, and I'm like, I swear it's like I've been headbanging at a concert, but like I've just been sitting in an office all day. I don't understand. All right, guys, let me know what are your thoughts on the McDonald's app and the Java sock. I'll see you next time. Bye.